Hey there, tech explorers! Today, we're delving into the fascinating realm of Kubernetes logging. You see, in a real-world Kubernetes cluster, managing countless pods and containers is no small feat. So, what happens when errors pop up, or you need to keep an eye on your applications and cluster components? That's where logging comes in. Kubernetes can be configured to log on the cluster or the node level. The implementation approaches and their potential trade-offs may differ from one another. Kubernetes offers three intriguing options for cluster logging. Imagine them as paths leading to a treasure of insights. Option 1, we have the trusty node-level logging agent. Think of it as your loyal messenger, gathering logs from each node and sending them to an external logging service. No code changes needed here. Next up, the sidecar container. It's like having a buddy alongside your app, capturing logs and channeling them to a different spot. This means you can easily separate different log streams, perfect for untangling those pesky errors. And last, but not least, direct-to-logging backend. Here, your application takes the reins, directly pushing logs to the backend. While simpler, changes to the backend might need you to adjust your app's code. Each approach has its own perks and quirks, like a unique adventure in the Kubernetes jungle. For all the juicy details, dive into the Kubernetes documentation. Now, let's zoom in on node logging and how those whispers from your containers are captured. Imagine a container runtime like Docker Engine shaping those log streams and sending them to the node's storage. But wait, there's a catch. We need to avoid storage chaos, and that's where log rotation comes in. It's like tidying up your room when things get too cluttered. When you run kubectl logs, the kubelet receives the request, reads directly from the log file on the node, and returns the content to the client. The kubectl logs command returns only the latest log content, not the log entries that have already been archived. The cluster components, kubescheduler and kubeproxy, run in a container. Therefore, the log handling is the same as for any other application container. For system components that do not run in the container, example, the kubelet and the container runtime, logs will be written to journaled if systemd is available. If systemd is not available, system components write their log files to the directory /var/log with the file extension .log. And there you have it, Kubernetes logging from the cluster's heart to the node's core. Glowing star, whether you're a code ninja or a cloud voyager, understanding these logging techniques is your key to a smoother journey in the Kubernetes cosmos. So, fellow tech trailblazers, armed with these insights, you're ready to tackle the wild world of Kubernetes logging. Remember, whether you're dancing with cluster-level agents or spinning logs on nodes, it's all about mastering the art of tracking and troubleshooting. Until next time, keep those containers happy and those logs flowing. If you're hungry for more tech explorations, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting journeys in the digital universe. Until then, happy coding and happy